So what does a life after the course entail? Well, you learned a lot. If you did this course 6 months, you spent a considerable amount of time and energy and effort getting to where you have, and you built up a certain proficiency and scale that probably 1% of the universe of people would be having it. And you should use this to your advantage. And what is the best way to thrive? Is to obviously analyze stocks, continue doing that, and when you find a great idea where you would like to invest your money, you go ahead with it. And you can use this to even trade. So you have a universe of stocks which you evaluate. You find stocks which are investment worthy, you find stocks which should be sold, and then you created for yourself a basket of stocks or universe which you can trade. So when any corporate action is out, you can decide whether that is good for a stock or bad for a stock. So if it is good for a stock which is in a buy quality of stocks, go and buy more of it. If you get corporate action which is negative for a stock and it is in your list of overvalued stocks, you should be shorting the stocks. So this is how you can uh, imbibe that knowledge, not only for long term investing but also from the fact of trading. So you marry the current events that take place in the market with the potential of the stock, and you have already analyzed. So what happens is that there are 5,000 stocks. It's very difficult to study 5,000 stocks for a person individually. But if you have done your screening, come out with certain stocks, then you furthered your study and said, well, these are the stocks to buy, these are the stocks to sell in case of negative news. Then you have pre-chosen what action you need to take. So when you get new corporate information flow that comes in, you will assess whether it is great for a stock, you will go and buy it. If it is not so great for a buy stock category, then let it go. If you're looking at corporate action which is negative for the sell list of stocks, then you should act on it. Of course, you need to determine what would be the extent of the selling, how much percentage the stock can correct, and then you're positioned to trade that stock. So this is how you can use this information that you learn in the course, not only from the perspective of long-term investing or making multi-bagger gains of a wealth creation point of view, but also to trade the markets. You can do relative valuation trades you can take. There are plethora of things that you can do, and this is all that we teach in the course. So join it as soon as you can.